Let's see the maximum camera zoom available on iPhone 16e. So first of all, in the photo mode with the HEIF max option disabled, I'm gonna zoom in to see what is the maximum amount, and it is times 10. Now let's enable HEIF, which allows us to use up to 48 megapixels, and it is also times 10. I'm gonna also pick up the phone in order to see if it makes any difference, and as you can see, it does not. So now let's see if live photo changes anything. And here still we can use up to times 10 zoom. So this is the maximum amount of zoom that we can get in the photo mode at least. Now let's also go to the video mode. And first I'm gonna check the full HD resolution. Let's keep zooming. And the maximum zoom is times 6. If we switch to 30 frames per second, it is also times 6. And let's see 4K resolution, and it is also times 6. So this is the maximum amount that you can get. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!